Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 67 GTO. It has got a date code correct 400 under the hood, looking sweet. That burgundy paint is just as deep and smooth as can be. All the stainless, the chrome, the aluminum, the headlight bezels, everything looking sharp on this baby. And there's that Pontiac emblem looking good sitting on that hood. She is a beauty, guys. Just love the color on the car. It's deep, it's got great reflections in it. Bodyman did a great job. Then the car's got Kragers on it with some Cooper Cobras. Looking good. Look at all those reflections, those rocker moldings looking sweet. Man, look at this car. And check out the interior. This is what I like to see. Black interior in a muscle car, baby. And it's a 4-speed. Looking good, center console. She's a beauty. Great looking dash pad, great looking accessories. We got seat belts in the back. Package tray looking good. Looks like we got some speakers back there. Headliner's in good shape. She is a beauty, inside and out. Just as smooth as can be. Love it. Check out the ass end of this baby. Look at the stance. The stance is perfect on this car. She's a beauty. Let me grab the keys and we'll take a quick look in the trunk. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our vehicles here. All right, we got about 14 keys there. It's the round one. Look inside here. Looking sweet. Everything looking good in there, nice and clean, nicely restored in here. And then on these GTOs, especially the 67s, you got to check this lip right here. Make sure it's in good shape. They do not repop these trunk lids. So you got to make sure you got your good trunk lid. Everything's nicely finished, looking sweet. Look down that passenger side there. Man, it's beautiful. Now we can park this dream in your drive no matter where you live in the world. So call Tom anytime. He's got all the answers for you. Also, if you want to check out more videos like this, go to our YouTube channel, which you happen to already be on, and make sure you subscribe. And then after you subscribe, check that little bell. That way you'll get a notification every time we post a cool video like this one. All right, little GTO. Of course, that's all the part of the song I know. I can sing Convoy, Smoking the Bandit, Eastbound and Down, but I can't sing that GTO song. But I can drive one. This thing is sweet, guys. Sounds amazing, looks amazing. What a sweet ride. Now, I've already done the underside video on this. That's where we put it up in the air. The bottom side of this car is just as pretty as the top. She is a sweetheart, guys. And we can park this dream in your drive no matter where you live in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you, just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Even if you need financing, we can help you out with financing too. We have several bankers we can put a deal together with. Now, we get around this corner, we'll take a quick look at the dash. Looks like the speedo's working, the tach's working. Now, it's got the stock radio in it, but we do have an aftermarket radio mounted neatly under the dash. And then we have this 3-pack of gauges. We got water, voltage, and oil pressure down there. What a sweet ride this thing is, guys. I mean, GTO is where the muscle cars started out. And what a sweet ride it is. Sounds great. Look at this guy giving me the thumbs up. Listen to the exhaust on this baby. Trans feels good, steering feels great. Look at that, I'm putting on the brakes, no hands on the wheel, stopping nice and straight. Just an amazing ride here. Now, like I said earlier, we already did the underside video, and we do a video on the bottom of every one of our cars. We are proud of all of them. Now, if you want to add something to the car, take something away from the car, no problem. We got a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to this car or any muscle car you want. We're here at our building now at 15100 Keel, and we're going to get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this beautiful car now, and man, look at that gas tank. It's brand new. Look at that exhaust. It's brand new, and it's 3-inch. Look at the paintwork on the frame. Beautiful. This 12-bolt rear end has got a 331 gear. It is Posi. Look at the sway bar. It's been chromed up. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see all the paintwork on the floorboards is looking good. I see a brand new brake line that probably goes front to back. Looks like we got new fuel lines also. Oh, this one's got electric dumps on it, so you can make some noise. I love them. I got them on my car. Actually, mine are manual. I have to swing a switch to open mine. These actually open up with an electric switch. We got an X-pipe here. They got band clamps here, so it's easy to take apart. This very well could be the original trans for the car. It is date code correct. It's got the original clutch linkage. Looks like an original bell housing here. It does have disc brakes up front. These ball joints look like they're new. The sway bar bushings also look new. Look at that cross member there. That thing, it's like they metal finished it. Either that or it's brand new. The core support's in good shape. Front frame horns are nice and straight. The chrome on the front bumper definitely looks like it's new. I mean, the car is beautiful. We got Kragers here with Cooper Cobra tires. We got two 1570 15s on these. Rocker moldings look good. Bottom side of the front fender, you feel around back there, it's nice and smooth. Pinch weld looks good. Back side of the rocker is also nice and smooth. The paintwork on the frame looks good. Paintwork on the floorboard looks good. I mean, this is just as pretty on the bottom side as it is on the top side. Let's see, we got two 5560 15s back here, and then we got stainless rockers back here too, looking good. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a Pontiac 400. It is date code correct. It is very close to being numbers correct. There are 6 numbers down here. Normally, there are only 4 showing, but those 4 do line up with the PHS documents. Previous owner states that it is numbers matching. We're gonna say definite maybe on numbers matching. It's the right year, it's the right everything. The heads are right, everything's right. We're just missing those 2 numbers that we can't see. Now the intake, it's all polished up, and it's an Edelbrock intake. It's got a 750 Holly on it. It's got a double pumper, MSD coil, MSD distributor, firewall's nice and clean. Looks like it's got a flex fan on it. Alternator's all polished up, looking good. It looks like it's got a brand new power booster on it. Looks like a brand new proportioning valve there. Looks like a brand new battery in it. I mean, the car's amazing, guys. She's a GTO, she's a 67, completely restored, top, bottom, inside and out. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.